Hello children, now let us move to area of rhombus. Word problem. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 rupees. So here they have told us that the floor is there and that they have fitted rhombus shaped tiles in this, and that is 3000 in number. And they have also told that the diagonal of each is 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So one diagonal is 45 and one diagonal is 30 centimeter. So our first job is to find the area of one tile. Okay children, so let us find that. Diagonal 1 45 centimeter, diagonal 2 30 centimeter. Area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. So half into 45 into 30. Right children? So if I do the cancellation, 2 15s are 15 into 45 is 675 centimeter square. That means the area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. This is one tile children. But they have fitted in the floor 3000 tiles. So if area of one tile is 675, this is tiles. So this is area. So if area of one tile is 675, then what will be the area of 3000 tiles? So it is a case of cross multiplication. So 3000 into 675, we will get all the area of the tiles. So area of one tile 675 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tiles is 3000 into 675. That will give us 20, 25, 000 centimeter square. So this we have found out the area of 3000 tiles. So now let us go to the next. Now children, if you see, to polish this floor, they are telling that it will cost per meter square as 4 rupees. But this is in centimeter square. So our job is to convert this into meter square. Then only we will equate it with this. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what is 1 meter square? That means 1 meter into 1 meter only will give us 1 meter square. So if I am multiplying 1 meter into 1 meter, that means 100 into 100 will give us centimeter square. 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Right children? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter into 1 meter is 1 meter square. So if I am multiplying 2 times 1 meter, here also I will multiply 100 centimeter 2 times, which will give me 10,000 centimeter square. So if 1 meter square is this much centimeter square, then 25 followed by 3 zeros, that is area of a tile, is how many meter square? That is what we have to find out. Now if you see, if you do cross multiply, any number multiplied by 1 will be the same number, and what is remaining, that will divide. So 2025 000 centimeter square divided by 10,000 centimeter square will give us meter square. 4 zeros. So from the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, our decimal will come here. So 202.5 meter square. So we have successfully made the measurement this centimeter square into meter square. So it is 202.5 meter square. Okay children. So once you have converted centimeter into meter square, now your next job is to find the cost of polishing the floor. So if 1 meter square he is taking 4 rupees. To polish 1 meter square, he is charging 4 rupees. So how much will he charge for 202.5 meter square? This is again a case of cross multiplication. So 202.5 meter square into 4 rupees. Our answer is 810. So he will charge 810 rupees for polishing the floor. Hope you understood the video, children. First we will find the area of one tile, then area of 3000 tiles. Convert that centimeter square into meter square, that is dividing by 10,000, and once you get meter square, you will multiply it with 4 to find the cost. Bye.